Here we are, camping in Uranus. Family camp out.
Petting bumblebees.
Oh, they're over here petting bumblebees and shit.
Up close to the bumblebee.
Let's see, Jalen is we already know the animal whisperer. Now she's the insect whisperer too. Look, over here petting bees.
Pet it again.
They're over here petting bees.
It's swatting at me. It's like, bro, get the fuck off.
Right. All right, we over here. Chicken wing cook-off.
Chicken wing cook-off.
Oh, Ryan on his grill. What you got over here?
You know, this some garlic parmesan. You
Oh,
know, we garlic parmesan it up.
We got the garlic parmesan. And we got Sherwin over here. He got his own little thing going on. What you got over here, Sherwin?
I got my own special sauce and seasoning called ooh wee.
Ooh wee.
Because it will make you say ooh wee.
Oh. What else you got over here? What you hiding over here in the bag?
Oh, I got some ribs for the adults.
Oh yeah, he got some ribs. Who else got? You got some wings over here, don't you?
No.
Let's check out your wings. What you got going on over here, Liz?
Tell me if they need turned yet.
Here's Liz.
That's 1/3 of what I brought.
Oh, so this just a little bit.
3 bags of them.
Any animal.
Yeah, I think we got one to donate to the wilderness. We got one to donate to the wilderness.
Just cooking, having a real good time.
Oh yeah.
Nice and quiet, and the weather's perfect.
I got the orange pepper wings going on over here.
Hey, Dodie, I can't front.
Mila made a swing over here.
Just out of rope.
Man, you're so good out here in nature. Give me some money?
What?
Did you give me some money?
Nope.
Oh, did you give me some money?
Paparazzi, guys.
Oh.
$5 for photos.
Oh, yeah. Did you give me some money?
My grandma took all my money.
Oh, man. All right, we out here almost finished up with the wing contest, eating good. What you think? Who you think you voting for? You probably had them all. Who you voting for?
Yours is pretty good. I never had that flavor before.
Oh, yeah? So you might be voting for me, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yours was bomb. He had some smoked ones that was pretty fire. It had like a little hot after bite to it. Then we had these wings over here, which were ranch wings.
Wait, I haven't tried yours.
There's his wings.
You haven't tried mine?
Oh, you better get one.
Oh, that's a big one.
What you think over here? Who you voting for?
Give me a second.
Okay, you gotta try his, huh? Yeah, his is bomb too.
Go ahead, finish it.
Wait, are you sure?
You guys try all the wings?
Yep.
Who you voting for?
I think I'll vote for my
Oh, you voting for Dad over here?
Hey, he know loyalty.
That must be your
Yeah.
He know loyalty.
Oh, you gonna vote for this Ryan too, huh? He got a little sauce on his
I'm building
wings.
up the popularity.
He's the only.
Building it up.
He got the sauce on there. What kind of sauce was it?
Oh, you know, that's that garlic barbecue. You know,
Yeah.
we seasoned it up with some garlic parmesan and then topped it with the garlic barbecue.
Oh yeah, there you go.
It's a garlic thing, you know.
Liz got the ranch wings. Those weren't too bad. I'm not even a ranch fan, but I ate one anyway. How about you, Braxton? Who you voting for? You don't know yet? You done ate about 20 of my wings already. What's Ryan's?
Those are my favorite too.
What?
Everybody's in bomb though.
Yeah, they're all good.
Uh-oh. Looks like I might be losing.
Hot. Yours is runner up.
Oh, really?
I say Sherwin. Sherwin's just runner up.
Competition one good time. That didn't.
All right, you got a lot of people voting for you, but I got a lot of people voting for me. But who are you voting for?
We gonna. Who am I? I gotta give it to you, brother. Yeah, you never vote for yourself, you know. I gotta give it to you because when I tried that first one, it smacked me in the mouth, you know. So when some food can dance on your tongue a little bit, I gotta give props where props is due. and you got that seasoning that you can't find in the U.S. You know, come on now, who can top that?
Oh, you got the alien decorations going on. I love it. You got the alien mat, the UFO. Yeah, we got our painting session starting up right now. All right, we got our tables together, 2 tables, painting. We got Nova Scotia over here.
We'll show this.
Oh, that looks lovely. I like it. I like the squiggles that you got going on. That's like a texture.
Yeah.
Do we have any pencils? Because I need to sketch. I can't just draw on a blank canvas.
I don't know, honey.
All right, yeah, we got some aliens going on over here.
Do you have any more pencils?
I don't, not at the moment.
Alright.
Once they're done, you can use theirs though. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Little drawing already.
Yeah, it's okay.
All right, here we go. We got our art pieces. Who's the winner? Who's gonna be the winner? I really like this one right here. I like that one. There's our camp tonight. Got a nice little setup.